government have already called on the strikers from today. What would you like to tell the government? Just they said they have called for a strike for to end for 1 week for negotiation. What would you like to tell the Matatu Association and the government?
I would like to tell the Matatu Association,
Mm,
if they come to any agreement
mm,
which will be benefit to us,
mm,
they can merge to it,
mm,
so that things can go back to normal.
mm,
And the other side, the government, if they give them any information, let
mm,
it be like they fulfill it
mm.
without
We
very
have witnessed vandalism of property. We saw yesterday one vehicle was torched in Thika Highway. Looting happened in Naivasha and some other parts of the country. What would you like to say about that?
I would like to say, if there is any those wherever things are happening, because this Mwananchi, they have bitterness because we can't afford the life we are living now. And if those whatever those skills and maybe vehicles and everything damaging, it's normally cost a lot of kills.
At least yesterday we reported 6 days and 30 people were injured. What would you like to say about that?
I would like to say, we don't want, in case those injuries comes, we don't want such things. So if we are having a strike, I would urge my fellow Kenyans to at least cooperate. Let it be peacefully, so that we can come to the conclusion. Because losing someone life now, I know their families and also Kenya at large, we are suffering much.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
I
you.
would like to be peaceful one, and my prayers is to come to conclusion. So that's our job. The Kenya at large to be in a peaceful way, and the business go on, the students to go back to school, and life has to go on so that our country can be developed.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.